Number 1. Main screen. Machine coordinate system. Date and time information. Operation mode. Absolute coordinate and distance to go value. Feed rate, spindle speed value in actual and in program. Spindle, rapid, and feed rate speed %. Functions bar. Number 2. Coordinate page. On this page, the user can easy to monitor all machine coordinate system and interact with the relative coordinate system. To switch to relative position page, we will press the switch button. Press the half button to divide the coordinate of pointed axis in the relative coordinate system by 2. And select the 0 button to return the coordinate of pointed axis in the relative coordinate system to 0 value. And press the 0 all button to return the coordinate of all axes in the relative coordinate system to 0 value. Number 3. Program page. Here is the page for the users to store data, also edit the working program. The memory of the controller is 4 GB. To execute a program, we will press the Open File button to access to the system disk. After that, we will select the program, then press the Open File again, and press the Execute button. Back to the program page. To create a file, we will press the New File button. Then we will enter the name and press the Create button. Next, to copy a file from the USB drive to the controller, we will access to the system disk. Then we will plug in the USB drive to the controller. Now we will select the file, then we will press the Copy button. Beside that, the F54 controller also has user support features for editing the working program, such as go to the command line by entering the number of the command line and press the Go to button. Search for an object in a program by entering the name of the object and pressing the Search button. Replace the existing object with another one. The previous search result will be displayed in this window. You can use it or replace it by entering the name of the object that you want to replace. Delete a line. You only need to select the command line and press the Delete button. And the final is the Copy and Paste feature.